Okay, this is the first video for Dumbass Incorporated. He's gonna touch that faulted light socket.
Are you really gonna...
That if he touches that bottom screw right there, he will get his ass lit up.
I'm not supposed to touch the screw, am I?
Just touch the screw. That
I'm
will.
not touching the screw.
Just,
I will turn the lights off. That's all I will do.
Alright, grab where there's no hole. See where there's no screw. Touch it.
Touch it.
Yeah.
Touch it.
Dude, I already touched it, dude. I live here. I fucking touch it all the time. Dude.
Want to fight about it?
You're fixing. Do you really want to be made a pussy all over you? I'm posting this whether you touch it or not.
That happened a long time ago. I'm not touching it. Which light switch? This one or that one? Which one turns off the light?
Neither. You gotta touch the screw.
Which one turns off the light?
Just touch the screw.
I'm not touching it. I'm not touching the screw. I'm not touching it. I'm not.
Just touch the...